Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, going to show you how we can launch any app from lock screen on iOS 18. So if you're going to swipe down, you'll find your lock screen settings here, and you just need to tap and hold the screen to basically customize it. Then tap on customize right here at the bottom. Then select a lock screen. And from here, select the add widget below your clock. And then here you can add your widget or application, like your Instagram, for example. And then I'm going to add Slack. All right, so close this one here. Find another app. And for the third one is the Facebook. So select any of the widget here, for example. And once done, close it. And let's see the changes. So if you're going back, go to your lock screen. So there you go. Now if you're going to tap on any app, for example, Slack app, to automatically open your app, going to open your Instagram, and last one is the Facebook. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you in the next video.